Choosing the right wall paint color can completely transform the atmosphere of a room, from something ordinary into your favorite corner of the house. Sherwin-Williams, one of the world's leading paint brands, offers a range of colors that not only please the eye, but also bring comfort, warmth, and tranquility into every space. If you're looking for trending wall paint color inspiration for 2025, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share 10 of the best color choices from Sherwin-Williams that can refresh and completely elevate the feel of your room. Don't forget to click subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and give us a like so you won't miss out on the latest design inspiration from us. Let's get started. Number 1. Icy Lemonade from Sherwin-Williams. Imagine a glass of cold lemonade on a bright summer day. That's the first impression of icy lemonade. This soft yellow shade brings a cheerful and warm vibe into any space. With a subtle hint of cool green as its undertone, it's not only refreshing but also offers a calming effect. Perfect for family rooms, kitchens, or children's play areas. Number 2. Labradorite from Sherwin-Williams. Labradorite is a deep and soft stone blue color. Its calming vibe makes it ideal for creating a relaxing atmosphere in bedrooms or home offices. To highlight this soothing effect, pair it with a cool white like oyster white. This combination will create a space that feels peaceful, clean, and elegant. Number 3. Tradewind from Sherwin-Williams. If you're looking for a calming beach or ocean vibe, Tradewind is the perfect color choice. This light blue shade has subtle hints of green and gray that balance its freshness and softness. Ideal for bathrooms, bedrooms, or relaxation spaces, Tradewind will make you feel like you're on a seaside vacation. Number 4. Certain Peach from Sherwin-Williams. For those who love bright and cheerful colors, Certain Peach offers a vibrant orange hue with a cool coral touch. This color can liven up dull corners and add a refreshing burst of energy. Try using it in your kitchen, breakfast nook, or creative space. Number 5. Pressed Flower from Sherwin-Williams. Although not described in detail, the name pressed flower itself suggests a soft, romantic tone. Perhaps a light pink or lavender, inspired by dried flowers. This color would be perfect for a bedroom, dressing room, or any space where you want to create a feminine and delicate atmosphere. Number 6. Green Black from Sherwin-Williams. Green Black is a unique blend of deep black and green. This color is perfect for accent walls or for use on cabinets and furniture. It creates a bold and strong impression, yet still feels cool and calming. To balance it out, pair it with cool neutrals like quietude to keep the space feeling comfortable and inviting. Number 7. Favorite Jeans from Sherwin-Williams. The name Favorite Jeans says it all. A calm and soothing denim blue. This color brings a friendly, casual vibe, making it ideal for bedrooms or study areas. You can pair it with cool pastels like icicle to create a space that feels both cozy and refreshing. Number 8. Foggy Day from Sherwin-Williams. With its deep slate gray undertone, Foggy Day creates a calm and peaceful atmosphere, like morning mist over a lake. Use it in bedrooms or reading nooks to evoke a relaxed and introspective mood. This color invites tranquility and is perfect for those who appreciate a meditative ambiance. Number 9. Slate Tile from Sherwin-Williams. Slate tile is a blend of deep blue and gray that remains soft and understated. Its elegant feel is not overpowering, making it suitable for a variety of spaces, both modern and classic. This color works well as a main color or an accent, making it a versatile choice for the entire home. Number 10. Colonnade Gray from Sherwin-Williams. If you're looking for a timeless neutral, Colonnade Gray is the answer. This warm stone gray offers a clean and sophisticated look, making it ideal for living rooms, kitchens, or other shared spaces. For the best effect, pair it with cool whites to highlight its warmth without making the space feel heavy. Every color has its own personality. Sherwin-Williams understands the importance of creating spaces that are not only visually aesthetic, but also emotionally resonant. By choosing the right colors, you can craft an atmosphere that supports your lifestyle, character, and personal comfort. Whether you're aiming for a bright and energetic vibe or a calm and reflective mood, Sherwin-Williams's wall paint selections offer the flexibility and inspiration to enhance every corner of your home. So, what's your favorite color?